on the call list, let's see. I know Erica and Rebecca set up, comments to make calls. Um, and how do you get it as a sign? Because I think our Erica, are you using the call list, or are you using the and just to set up I guess a reminder, a reminder how to make a call, to set up a call?
Okay, so what we would do in that situation is we'd actually set it up more as like a routine of some sort, and depending on what you're wanting to do, maybe it's a quarterly touch point for people, or some kind of reminder type thing that you need to do. But even if you're just in your contacts, maybe we come over here into our contacts area, and let me say, Sally Jones here. If they're just in the list and you need to make a call to them of some sort, you can dial right there and go through the calling process if you want. But if you just say, well, I want to add them to my call list, then it will go through that process. Maybe I want to do that person. Maybe I want to add, Cody to the call list, whatever. And what that's doing is that's then putting them into the today call list of things. And then I can come in here and make my call. Now, again, I've got my MacBook Pro, and then I've also got an iPhone. So because of the way Apple does it, it's really good that I can just use the mobile device and call straight from it and it do the process. But you can also use Twilio. If you've got your Twilio numbers connected, that you can select one of your Twilio numbers and then make the call from there as well. So then it uses your microphone on your computer and your speakers on your computer. It dials to that phone number, whatever the phone number is that's being there. It'll use this as the caller ID. And then as it's doing its thing, it actually is recording the conversation and stuff, so they can do transcripts and stuff. One thing that you do have to do, and I know you had set up, and I had to do a little bit of help with you on that integration. Make sure that in your Twilio setup stuff, that each user that wants to dial out has their own phone numbers connected. Does that make sense?